Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your privacy on Pinterest and stop sharing your information for ads personalization, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off sharing info with Pinterest so you can browse and pin with more peace of mind. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, look for your profile picture again, but this time at the very top of your screen. Tap on it to access your profile settings. This is where you'll find all the options to customize your Pinterest experience. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Privacy and Data. Go ahead and tap on it. This section is dedicated to your privacy preferences and how your data is used on Pinterest. Within the Privacy and Data menu, you'll notice a section called Ads Personalization. Here's where Pinterest manages how your information is shared to personalize the ads you see. To stop sharing your info, simply find the toggle next to Sharing Info Pinterest and switch it off. When you do this, Pinterest will no longer use your activity and information to tailor ads specifically to you. That's it. You've just taken a big step towards protecting your privacy on Pinterest. By turning off this setting, you'll see less personalized ads, and your data won't be used for ad targeting purposes. Remember, you can always come back and change this setting at any time if you change your mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tips on keeping your social media experience safe and private. Stay secure, and happy pinning.